how to install IntelliJ Idea on Windows 11. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that you're gonna do first is head on to your web browser and then just search up for IntelliJ. So once you're here, what you want to do is you just click on download right here. Afterwards, what you can do now is you just simply choose what kind of IntelliJ version that you're going to download. So they have two versions right here. So they have IntelliJ Idea Ultimate right here, which is like their pro version. So this one is paid, or you can get their free one right here, which is IntelliJ Idea Community Edition. So this one is free right here. So for me, I'll be downloading the free one right here, which is IntelliJ Idea Community Edition. So yeah, before you download, you can choose on how you want to download it. So you can download it as an exe, a zip, or an exe again, but for Windows, ARM64. So for me, I'll just download it as an exe for Windows. So I'll just click on download right here. And then there you go. It says, thank you for downloading IntelliJ Idea. So what you want to do now is you just simply wait until the download is finished. Once it's done downloading, just open up the installer, click on yes. Afterwards, just click on next, and then just click on next again. And then afterwards, you can choose a destination folder right here and where you want to save your IntelliJ Idea folder location. So for me, I'll just leave it at my C drive. So afterwards, just click on next. And then from here, you can optimize or choose some installation options right here for your IntelliJ Idea Community Edition setup. So for me, I'll just create a desktop icon. I will also add this update context menu right here. I'll also add some associations right here. So I'll just add Java, Gradle, Groovy, KT, KTS, and POM. And then you can also update the path variable right here if you want to, but a restart that is needed when you want to install this option right here. So for me, I'll just skip it. So afterwards, just click on next, click on install, and then just wait for the installation to finish. And then there you go, it's now done installing. So I'll just check this box right here so we can run IntelliJ. So I'll just click on finish, and then I'll just wait for IntelliJ to open up. And then there you go. So now we have IntelliJ right here. So yeah, so now you can now start creating your new project right here. So you can create a project. So I'll just name this project sample, click on create. I'll just open it up in this window. There you go. So you can also create a new Java class right here. So I'll just name mine main. There you go. Then you can now start coding right here. So yeah, so for example, I'll just add system.out.print. There you go. And then I'll just type in hello world, and then there you go. Then when I run it, there is our output. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to install IntelliJ Idea on Windows 11.